Tabletop exercise is one of the most effective ways to strengthen your organization's cyber readiness. It's a guided, scenario-based simulation where your team works through a realistic cyber incident and then tests their response. With the Cisco Talos incident response team, each tabletop exercise is fully customized to your environment and risk posture. After working closely with your team in pre-exercise workshops, Talos IR will storyboard a specific scenario, such as a ransomware attack, insider threat, or business email compromise, and guide your team from the initial alert through all the twists and turns of the exercise. Because we are vendor and tool agnostic, we can design scenarios that truly reflect your unique environment. You'll be able to test decision-making processes, validate communication workflows, and understand how new technologies might impact your response, all while involving the right stakeholders at every step. Afterward, you'll receive a detailed, actionable report highlighting strengths and areas for improvement, so you're better prepared for real-world incidents. Learn more at talosintelligence.com/IR.